Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Angular material table in your Angular project. So open material.angular.io, and on the left side we have all the components, and today I will show you how to use table in your Angular project from Angular materials. Are you ready? Let's get started. So as you can see, this is a table, and how we can use it, it's very simple and easy. Copy, click here, and copy the markup, click here, and open your, this is a simple Angular project I have here, and paste the markup in your app.component.html. Okay, and also copy the code from TypeScript file, Ctrl C, app component.ts, and paste it here. This is the simple interface. This is simple array of object, and also copy that here and paste it here. Okay, and also copy the CSS and paste it in your app.component.css. Ctrl S, Ctrl S, Ctrl S, and also you should import mat table module from Angular material table in your app module.ts. Open app module.ts, import it here, and okay, I already imported. I don't need to. If I remove this, and if I remove this, and now I can import. Paste here and add in your import array mat table module. Okay, and save, and let's run the project by ng serve. No, okay, the project compiled successfully, and now let's host the project. Okay, localhost 4200. As you can see, I used the table from Angular material component. That's how you can use it. Very easy, very simple. What we did, I will show you again. We copy the code and paste it in our app.html, and then after that copy the CSS and copy also the TypeScript. As you can see, the array of object and interface, and also we imported the mat table module in our app module.ts. That's how you can use table from Angular material in your Angular project. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out with that. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.